Okay, guys, so your first assignment for the week is a binder planner check. Like I said, we're going to be doing these once a week. And the purpose of these is just to make sure that you are keeping it organized. And at the beginning of the week, you're keeping track of all of the things that you have due. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the binder planner check in the assignments folder. And then remember, you need to go over to My Documents. And then when you get to My Documents, it's going to pull up this form, this OneDrive document for you to fill out, okay? So remember the first part, you're just checking that you have a pen and pencil ready, that you have a notebook, that you have all the things ready to go for the week. And then down here, remember, you're just writing the name of each of your classes here and the assignment here. Remember that before you can start typing, you need to go over here and click on edit before you can get going. And then when you come down here, some of you last week did forget to actually put the name of your class in here. So don't forget that in period 1, you would put access or ELD or math or whatever that is, whatever assignments you have for that week, the due date for those assignments, any teacher check-in or contact time that you need for that class that week, and the day and time of that teacher check-in or contact time. Remember that this is a good chance for you guys to be using your Schoology calendar. So if you don't know what you have due for a class in Schoology, you can go back to the main page in courses. And if you go to any of your courses and you go up here and you look at your calendar, on your calendar, it's going to tell you all of the things that you have due and when you have them due. And you can also find that in your Schoology page over here where it says upcoming. This bar over here will tell you all of the assignments you have. See, tutor ticket is in there right now as one of your assignments, okay? So if you're wondering and you don't want to go back through and look at all of your classes, you can always come up here and look at your calendar, or you can always go down or come over here and just look at this toolbar on the side under upcoming. It's going to tell you everything that's due, okay? So you're just going to use that to fill all of this out and get yourself all organized and ready for the week. And then when you're done, you're going to go back, remember, in Schoology to your assignments. And when you're done editing, let's find this again. You're going to, oops, that's your tutor ticket. Sorry. You're going to go back to your binder planner check. I'm going to go back to My Documents. And then if you're happy with everything that you have written, then you're going to click Submit. If you feel like you need to keep working on it, you're going to click Edit. But if you're all done, you can click Submit. And then I can assign you some credit for that. All right. Remember, you can email me if you have any questions. But this week should be pretty straightforward. It's just this and then one other thing that I'll explain to you in the next video for your tutor ticket or study hall check-in.